How to create Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook account step by step. Whether you are joining Facebook for the first time or helping a friend, I've got you covered. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app. Once you are inside the Facebook app, simply tap on create new account at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on Get Started and you will be prompted to the page where you need to enter the first name and last name. And once you have entered that, simply tap Next. Now, in this section, enter your date of birth, and once you have done that, simply tap Next. Now, select your gender, and once you have done that, simply tap Next. Next, you will enter the section where you need to enter a mobile number or an email address. This will be used to verify your account and help you log in later. And once you have entered your email, you can simply tap Next. Now it's time to set a password. Choose something strong but easy for you to remember. If you ever forget your password, Facebook has option to help you recover it. And once you are done typing your password, simply tap Next. Now simply tap on I agree and you will be prompted to the page where you will receive the confirmation code from the email you have entered earlier. And once you have entered the confirmation code to verify your account. And once you have done that, your Facebook account is now set up. Before you start connecting with friends, take a moment to customize your profile by adding a profile picture or some basic details about yourself. And that's it. You have successfully created a Facebook account on your mobile device. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.